Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Review Scout, where we review the latest affiliate marketing products, online business tools, and digital training programs to help you make informed decisions before you buy. Today's review is about Bullet Cash System, a training program that's attracting attention among beginners and affiliate marketers because of its focus on free traffic strategies. If you've been searching for a simple way to start affiliate marketing without spending money on ads, you've probably come across this product. So the big question is, does it actually offer something useful, or is it just another marketing course? Let's find out. One thing I've learned after reviewing many online business products is that most beginners don't fail because they lack motivation. They fail because they become overwhelmed. Every expert seems to recommend a different strategy. One person says you need YouTube. Another says blogging is the answer. Someone else insists on Facebook ads, while others recommend email marketing or SEO. After a while, beginners don't know which direction to follow. Bullet Cash System appears to take a different approach by simplifying the process. Instead of trying to teach everything about online marketing, it focuses on one core idea, placing yourself where potential buyers already exist instead of trying to build attention from scratch. According to the product, this is achieved through what it calls a free Traffic Piggyback Method. I actually think this is an interesting concept. Imagine opening a coffee shop. You could build it on an empty road and hope customers eventually discover it. Or you could open it in a busy shopping area where people are already walking every day. The second option naturally gives you more opportunities. The same principle can apply to affiliate marketing. Instead of spending months trying to attract visitors from zero, learning where interested buyers already spend their time can be a valuable skill. Another thing worth mentioning is that this course is positioned for beginners. It claims you don't need your own product, expensive software, or paid advertising to get started. For many people, that's encouraging because those requirements often discourage newcomers before they even begin. The product also highlights a structured learning process. Rather than throwing dozens of advanced marketing concepts at you, it appears to guide users through a step-by-step framework and includes additional resources like a quick start guide and daily action checklist. Having a routine can be helpful because consistency is often more important than complexity. However, let's keep things realistic. Affiliate marketing is a real business model, but it's still a business. No course, software, or strategy can guarantee income. Your results will always depend on factors like your effort, your ability to apply what you learn, the product you promote, and the audience you're trying to reach. That's something every buyer should remember before purchasing any online training. The product also includes bonus resources designed to expand on the main training. While bonuses can certainly add value, I always believe the core course should be the main reason to purchase. If the primary training teaches practical concepts that you can actually use, then the bonuses simply become an extra benefit. So who is Bullet Cash System most suitable for? In my opinion, it seems best suited for complete beginners, affiliate marketers who are still searching for their first consistent commissions, and people looking for a straightforward introduction to free traffic concepts. If you're already an advanced marketer with years of experience, you may find material more introductory than revolutionary. Overall, Bullet Cash System presents itself as a beginner-focused affiliate marketing training built around the idea of finding existing buyer opportunities instead of creating traffic entirely from scratch. Its biggest strength appears to be its emphasis on simplicity and repeatable daily action rather than overwhelming users with technical marketing strategies. If you're thinking about purchasing it, I recommend reading the product details carefully, understanding exactly what included, and making sure your expectations are realistic. Education is valuable, but consistent implementation is what ultimately creates progress. That wraps up today's review. I hope this video helped you better understand what Bullet Cash System aims to teach and whether it matches your own affiliate marketing goals. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find the official link in the description below. Thanks for watching the Review Scout. If you enjoy honest reviews of affiliate marketing tools, AI software, and online business products, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.